CTX. They only made it in 2014. It's a platform off of the ST, what, 1100, 1300? They detuned it. My fork shell's really greasy, gotta watch that. They detuned it. ST was running like 118 horses, 26 horses. They detuned it to 80 horses, 81 horses, and more torque. Yeah, but I'm cool with that. ST is known for doing a lot of miles. They made police bikes. This bike is built for the freeway. Long distance cruising, like a mini Goldwing. I got a Valkyrie in there, like a Goldwing. This one is agile. The weight of the bike and the twisties, it handles like a much, much lighter bike. People give it a hard time with the suspension. Got this bike with 4,000 miles. I'm rolling like 14,000 miles and the suspension broke itself in, minus my greasy fork seal, so I don't notice that yet. Got fresh rubber, oil change, and keeping it tuned. And it drives good on the freeway. It's not that fun on the street. It doesn't get into its comfort zone, but it wants to go to the mountains, you know, we'll take it. All right, afro tied out. Got a video on all my bikes. Wanted to make one on the CTX. Homie was rushing me, but I don't believe in rushing. I believe in cruising. Bike handles like a sport bike. It's bigger. It's comfortable. I'm always driving it. Neighborhood run. When it wants to get on the highway. How disrespectful of me to not give this bike what it deserves. 75, 85 mile per hour cruising. It was originally got it. You're gonna hit it right up here. It was originally, I purchased it to go far. But then I never took it far. I took it far into bad tires. And it made me curious about adventure bikes. This bike, when I took it to Carlsbad or from El Paso to Midland, it rolled. I'm a slow driver, quarter throttle, maybe half throttle. This bike lives 3/4 throttle, and the brakes are amazing. Here we go. Oily roads. Oily roads. pull it back. All right, let's do it. It's a good drive. Wants to run, and it's stable. The wind blows it though. Well, maybe that was just my inexperience. If it's not windy, it gets into the corners. Mile cruising. Yeah, 4,000 RPM. Hey, thank you for guys tuning in. That was a good ride on my CTX. I'm gonna keep posting short videos, random rides, and just cruising. Hey, have a great day.